The first concept I chose is using transitions between speech points, which is on page 85. Transitions are words, phrases, or sentences that allow ideas to be tied together. They also help listeners follow as a speaker moves between one topic and another. This concept jumped out at me because I am always drawn by how people transition through their points and through their speech to make it seem like it just flows. I feel that it's important in public speech because it helps keep your topics and thoughts separated from one another, but also tying them together so they're not completely separate. I hope to use transitions in my speech to keep my audience interested, engaged, and informed as I travel through each idea and point that I wish to discuss. Concept number 2 is arranging speech points using problem solution patterns on page 92. Problem solution patterns are a way to organize main points and show the nature and importance of a problem followed by possible solutions. So this concept jumped out at me because I found that it's a good resource to help with my persuasive speech. It stuck out at me because it's a valuable topic to look more in depth to. I feel that it's personally I feel that problem solution patterns in speech cause our audience to analyze each problem and see if their own proposed solutions may match those of another. Causing thoughts to spark in the minds of our audience causes engagement with them, and it comes easier and flows more naturally. So in my persuasive speech, I intend to use this concept to show my audience the problems with my topic and how I propose they can be solved, while still maintaining a solid stance on what I wish to persuade my audience toward. Concept number 3. Create a working outline first, page 97. A working outline is just a rough way of writing a list of your ideas before changing them to a spoken outline. This is just flat out basic ideas of what you wish to branch out on eventually. This concept jumped out at me because organization of your thoughts is a basic stepping stone. It seems to get you off on the right start. Half of the battle of a speech and a paper writing is knowing what you wish to talk about. So having a working outline gives you those basic things that you wish to branch off of before you proceed forward. Working outlines are important in public speech because they are a stepstone to your speech building. If you're able to toss around ideas of main points, and from there you can get to subtopics and start adding in keywords and phrases and transitions that really begin to bring your speech all together. I've started putting together a working outline, which has helped me decide what my main points are going to be for my informative speech. So now I can start thinking of how I want to tie them all together and start adding in my phrases and keywords and transitions that'll be attention grabbers to the people who are watching my speech.